Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. In today's lesson, we will learn animals both in English and Somali. Animals in Somali is hayawan. Again, hayawan. So we start with the king of the jungle. Dewa boqorka duurka. Lion, libaax. Lion, libaax. Giraffe, GERI. Giraffe, GERI. Tortoise, DIINDIIN. Tortoise, DIINDIIN. Hippopotamus, JEER. Hippopotamus, JEER. Monkey, DAANYEER. Monkey, DAANYEER. Snake, mus. Snake, mus. The hissing sound. Cheetah, HARAMCAD. Cheetah, HARAMCAD. Zebra, FAROW. Zebra, FAROW. Leopard, SHABEEL. Leopard, SHABEEL. Cow, lo. Cow, lo. Cat, BISAD or NYAANYUUR. BISAD or NYAANYUUR. Dog, A. Dog, A. Pig, dhofar. Pig, dhofar. Sheep, ido. Sheep, ido. Camel, GEEL. Camel, GEEL. So we have come to the end of the lesson. Thank you so much for being here. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon down below so that you will be notified of the next lesson that I will be uploading on this Saturday, inshallah. Do have a great weekend. Thank you so much. Ma salama.